Hey friends, Megan Elizabeth here from ByMeganElizabeth.com, and you are here for our 12 days of giveaways 2018. I'm excited. We're going to do a t-shirt. You can do custom t-shirts with Chalk Couture and it'd be totally permanent ink set awesomeness, and I'm excited to do that. So we're going to use a transfer. This is actually called Vintage Truck Add-on Winter. Okay, so our vintage truck is super, super popular. You can check it out through Chalk Couture by going to ByMeganElizabeth.com and click on the Chalk Couture link. But that transfer is so super, super, super popular, and there's add-ons for all different seasons. And this one was just too perfect not to do on a t-shirt. I grew up in a skiing and snowboarding family, and immediately I just saw this and was like, I've got to do it. So the slopes are calling and I must go snowboard. Nate's big into the mountains are calling and I must go, which he is at right now, even during our 12 days. He is in the mountains. Anyway, oh, that ripped up the side. Not what I wanted it to do. Okay, we're going to open up this transfer. We're going to cut it apart. And we're going to ink and heat set with our Cricut EasyPress. All right, we're going to even do the snowboard. There's even skis on here. So you could just do the slopes are calling and I must go. Actually, you know what? Let's just do that. Let's just do the slopes are calling and I must go. I think that will be perfect. And I'm gonna, let's see. Do I want to do the skis with it or not? I'm not sure. I love this transfer so much. Now I could do the truck with it, but I think I just want to do it like this. I think I want to even cut this up. I'm going to get really crazy with it. All right, here we go. We're going to experiment and cut up. Yeah, we're going to have to cut it all the way. Okay. I am cutting it all the way up, and we're going to mark what it is on the back. And we're going to have to line it up the best that we can, one step at a time. I think it's going to be really cool, though. All right, this is the end eye. These are reusable transfers. So if you haven't seen one of these videos before, the reason I do this is because once we wash them off, they're going to have to go back on these backing sheets. I want to make sure not only that I put it on the correct way by marking that this is the back, I want to make sure that I know which piece goes to what, so I'm not trying to play puzzle pieces later, so I have more time to craft. All right, so normally what you see me do is also when I'm working on, this is just a black t-shirt from Target. I'm gonna smooth it out here. And I'm gonna grab one of our ink mats from Chalk Couture. Okay, I'm gonna stick this in between the layers so that it doesn't bleed through to the other side of the t-shirt. The ink mat is sticky, so it does a couple of things. One, it makes sure that the ink doesn't bleed through, like I just said. The other thing that it does is it keeps the fabric completely in place so that we don't have any pulling or dragging when we're trying to, t-shirt's not twisted, which it doesn't look like it is. Okay, so the slopes are calling and I must, and I, oh my goodness, must go. We'll start with the slopes. Now, normally what I do is fuzz it. And by fuzzing, that means taking the transfer that you're working on and placing it on a towel or even on your shirt or on basically just about anything to get a little bit of fuzz on the back. I'm trying to line this up the best I can because they're not going to line up straight because I cut it apart on my own. So basically I'm looking to see where the G and the A line up in regards to the slopes. It's pretty good. And I must go. Anyway, so there's no fuzzing on this because I am doing it on a shirt that's already going to be kind of fuzzy and it's going to peel up just fine. And it just gives that extra amount of stick that I want it to have. So basically I want to make sure the U and the G are lined up here. I love this already. Okay, this is perfect. The slopes are calling and I must go. Couture teal and Couture ink. This is gold. And we don't have the 2-ounce size jars. Everything is now 3-ounce size jars, but we still have this color. So you can definitely get it by meganelizabeth.com. Okay, how do I want to do this? I kind of just want to go ahead and do it all in teal now that I'm looking at it. We're going to do it all in Couture teal. We'll do shimmer for something else. We're just going to do it all in Couture teal. All right, it's beautiful teal color. We're going to just grab, I'm going to grab a tiny squeegee. This is one of our small size squeegees cut in half. It just helps me to get into work in smaller little bits at a time. And that's what I like to do. So I'm going to just dip it in here and I'm going to go really slow and work just little bits of the transfer at a time because the ink is a lot thinner than the paste. And I just find I like the results better when I do little by little, nice and slow. It is permanent when heat set, and it will stain if you get it off. When you're using the chalk paste, you don't really have to worry about anything because it cleans up super, super, super easy. It's washable. It's a water-based chalk paste. This is a permanent ink. But for making it truly permanent, you do have to heat set it. That's why we're going to be using our Cricut EasyPress with it. Okay, little by little. I do find the teal absorbs into black t-shirts like crazy too. So sometimes you have to do like a second little layer. This transfer is awesome too because you can kind of see it's already like speckled and distressed. So if there's any little blip in it at all, it looks like it's supposed to be there on top of the fact that it is supposed to be there. Or there are spots that it is supposed to be there, I should say. And this doesn't dry as quick as the paste. So I am leaving it on as I go through because I might do that second coat on there. It's not, I don't have to worry about the ink peeling up with the transfer. You have more time to work as opposed to with the paste when I cut things apart, like I showed you in the very first video of this 12 days. If you haven't checked it out yet, go back and check it out. I cut it apart so that I could work in layers of that really large transfer so that I didn't have anything peel up as I was working with it. This is a great gift for teenage boys, but I mean, hello, the skier chick in me. Doesn't just have to be snowboard. It can be skier. It can be snowboarder. I haven't skied in many years, to be really honest with you. I miss it, and I'm dying to get the kids out. I literally think I could ski before I could walk. My dad had me out on the slopes very, very young. And that was something we very much enjoyed. And when I saw this, I was like, I have to make myself a t-shirt with it. I do. My whole family still works in ski shops. So, okay, ready? We're going to reveal. Peeling from the side. Oh my goodness. How cute is this? Perfect results every time. I didn't even go over it a second time. Didn't need to. So cute. Put the lid on. I'm going to remove my ink mat. All right, we're going to grab my Cricut EasyPress. This is the heat mat, and so this side goes down. This is a cotton polyester mat. It has silicone inside and aluminum inside. Anyway, it protects your surface when you're using any kind of heat. So I'm going to use that underneath my t-shirt all together. I'm going to dry it. Okay, and now we have a special surprise because now we're going to do a really fun unboxing of the new Cricut EasyPress 2. The reason why it's an EasyPress 2 is not only is it in a pretty coral color, it is hotter and faster, 60-second heat up time, no guesswork, flawless transfer results that are truly, truly lasting. This is the 9x9, but the Cricut EasyPress2 now comes in 3 different sizes. So we're gonna unbox this as a special exclusive during our 12 days of giveaways. I'm so excited. What's new about this is it's a precise control up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. There's a countdown timer. There's all kinds of instructions inside this Cricut EasyPress. Let's do this thing. We're gonna open it up. It comes in a really cute little canvas bag. I'm telling you what, guys, Cricut has changed the game in crafting. It's almost like they've taken a page out of Apple's playbook and they've made this such an incredible unboxing experience. Like, getting it out of the box itself is a gift. Look at this canvas bag that it comes in. Guys, we're gonna chalk Couture on this later. Okay, this is the 9x9 platform. We're gonna, open this up here. Poke some holes in here. All right, I'm gonna show you a couple of the features and how it works. It's not terribly different from the original EasyPress, but it's faster and more precise. And I love the different sizes now. So you're gonna wanna check them out. There is a link to Cricut at buymeganelizabeth.com. You can use my affiliate link or the link in this video description. Okay, it comes with a heat mat. Okay, so this is where the device sits all the time. So you're not burning the surface that you're working on, your craft space or anything else. I'm telling you, this unboxing is so fun. Okay, I'm going to show you the 2 colors. This is my EasyPress1. This is my EasyPress2. All right, this is going to heat up faster. We're going to turn them both on. All right, we're going to set the temperature for both of them. I'm just going to show you how fast they heat up. We're going to turn both the temperature up to 350, and we're going to see which one comes up to temperature quicker. Whoops, 350. 350, 350. When the Cricut head turns green is when this is heated to temperature. Okay, so that's the temperature we want it on for our Chalk Couture permanent heat is 350. So it should be a 40-second heat up time for this guy. And you can see it's already hotter than this one. 85, this is at 80, and we turned them up almost at the same time. Actually, this one kind of came a little bit later because I didn't have it, I wasn't pressing the button all the way down. So you can see it's climbing at about, that one's about 5 degrees faster in time. And we're going to use this. The thing about this is that it has a more even heat surface than the first EasyPress. I love the color of it. I love this like cherry red, pink, coral-ish. In the box, it looks more coral, but I actually have to say, in person, it looks a little bit more like a cherry wine color versus this blue teal. Okay, so the first one is heated up quicker. It's green and ready to go. We're going to use the new one just because it's fun and it's brand new. It only took about 2 seconds more, but I will tell you, I did take a minute longer to turn it up. So it probably heats up faster to the lower settings. I'm going to turn this one off because we're not going to use this one today. But I wanted to show the heat up time side by side because I wanted to try it even personally more than anything. Okay, ready? So I still have down the heat press mat. You definitely want to use this with your EasyPress, and they are sold separately. All right, I'm going to set this down on here. Again, I'm going to make sure the ink is dry before I put my EasyPress to it. Should be good. You can put down parchment paper or just do it directly on there. I'm going to do it directly. So this fits the whole entire thing. I'm going to press the Cricut head to count down the 30 seconds at 350 degrees. And in 30 seconds, this t-shirt's going to be ready to wear and permanently on there. It'll go through the washer over and over and over again without any fear or any worry of it coming off. And I love that. Okay, And that is it. It is set. It is done. It's got to cool off and it's ready to wear, and it's so super cute. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching another 12 days of giveaways videos. You can check out all the links at bymeganelizabeth.com and in this video description on YouTube or Facebook. Enjoy the moments, guys. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.